Just around the corner from the sisters, Jared Norrell was warming up for his big moment.
Hey! When I see those judges, gotta have the energy, gotta have the enthusiasm, gotta have the passion, gotta show it from front to back. Get that breath going, make sure that that's there. Get your buzz on, get your car started, and not give in, not give in.
Hello.
How y'all
What
doing?
up?
Hi, Jared.
Hey.
So you're a great singer.
I believe so.
Yeah, one of the best?
Could be.
Really? And you think you could win?
I really do.
All right. What are you going to sing?
Amazing Grace. Gotta give it up to God.
All right.
Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Thank you.
Oh, good Lord. What was that? Do you really think you're a good singer? Seriously, I'm not trying to be rude. You think you're a great singer?
Are you serious?
Honey, it sounded like a lawnmower. I mean, it's just not...
Are you serious in agreements, man?
I'm sorry, honey. Music is not where you're headed.
All right, thanks a lot, Jared.
Yeah.
Guys, can I please have 2 seconds more, man? I'm just right here. I'm tripping right now. You feel me? I'm tripping. I'm losing it. I'm just trying my best. Can I sing one more song?
Oh, dog, the vocals, man, you can't sing, dude.
Amazing grace, how sweet
No.
the sound
No.
that saved a wretch like me.
Security.
I once was lost,
It's a no.
but now I'm found.
It's a no.
You hear me, boy? You
It's a
hear
no.
me?
It's
You
a
hear
no.
me, man? I can't leave. I cannot leave. I'm not going to get violent. I'm not getting violent.
I'm actually moving.
Come on, dog.
Let's go.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Jared, obviously agitated and refusing to quit, left security with no choice but to intervene.
Come on, man. You see me fighting for this show and then you gonna get me out like that? Oh, Jesus. Everybody get saved. Go ahead.
Okay, you're gonna bend your knees and you're gonna roll over and step up. Come on, bend your knees. Bend your knees and get up. Okay, so
That's the way it's gotta be. You gotta take me out in cuffs. You gotta take me out in cuffs. Act like I can't sing, Randy. 3 seconds. You gotta take me out in cuffs.
Yes or no?
It's a no. It's a no. Come on, man. Come on, man.